If you guys are looking for a healthy snack, yet simple, quick and super delicious, then these suji rolls are here to win your heart. So I've taken suji, I'm going to grind it into a powder form, add it into a bowl along with wheat flour and curd. For my spices, I'm going to add chili flakes, salt, zeera, coriander. Start mixing it. Now we're going to add water very little by little and we're going to make a smooth batter. The consistency is what you can just see. Now part 2, take a plate, grease it really well, pour the batter into it. So just ensure that you pour a very thin layer and spread it evenly. The beauty of this recipe is that you got to steam it just for 3-4 minutes. Add a generous layer of garlic chutney, cut it, roll it really well, and once that's done, for my finishing touches, in a pan add oil, some mustard seeds, sesame seeds, curry leaves. Place your suji rolls into it, just toss it for 1-2 minutes and oh my god, you got to try it. And also like, comment, share if you're new, then follow.